I'm only buying a car that starts. He gets in a Honda CRV. I said turn that car off right now.
I don't understand. They came, they bought a car. Don't tell me what to do.
Hey, stop. It's enough.
Bob, go. Stop, Bob, stop.
Get down.
I need a supervisor here.
February 2025. Location undisclosed. A private vehicle sale dispute. $500 cash transaction escalated into physical assault on law enforcement officers. 2 subjects arrested. 2 criminal cases opened.
They start the car, it doesn't start. He says, hey, I'm only buying a car that starts. He gets in a Honda CRV and he takes off. Now, when they call him back and say, listen, I want to negotiate on the price, he specifically says, get out of my parking lot. So there he is right there.
How we doing?
Good. Why don't we turn that car off?
I came here because I don't have to turn anything off. I didn't do anything wrong.
I said turn that car off right now.
I don't understand. I didn't do anything wrong, sir.
Did you hear what he said?
I didn't do anything wrong.
I don't care.
We're gonna figure it
So
out.
I don't know why you're coming at me with being a... I showed up here.
I'm not being a...
You're telling me to stop.
You guys are being...
Who the hell do you guys think you are?
We got to figure out.
Hey,
That's right.
Baldy.
You don't come up.
You
and open
Baldy.
doors.
Shut that door.
Yeah, exactly. Shut that door.
Just
you.
turn the car.
I'm not shutting the car off, dude.
Okay, that's fine.
I need my cane. They
Tell me the
came, they
story.
bought a car.
Yep.
They think it's overheating because you got it parked on a trailer like this. We're sitting there. We helped them load it up for an hour.
Yep.
Then they're complaining it's overheating. So the deal's, it's not overheating. It's a 30-year-old car that we told them needs help.
And he gave you $5,500 cash.
5 today. They gave us 500 a month ago.
Okay, and then
So, and then
they want to know why you just took off.
Why we took off? Because we're done selling the car. We helped them load the thing up.
Okay.
We were here for over an hour helping them load the thing up.
Completely
the thing's
understand.
overheating. And then they're saying, why is it overheating? I said, it never happened. He used to drive the car. Then we said, okay, we got to take off. They said, all right. They call us 5 minutes later saying, oh, the car was overheating. We want some money back. No, it's done. It's over.
I'm just...
Be done.
They walked over
We
here.
saw you. I could have turned around. I came up here to deal with the situation, not to listen to you be a... And you have no right to tell me to turn my off.
Voice.
Don't tell me what to do.
Get out.
Don't tell me what to do.
It's enough.
All right. Hey, it's enough. Hey, stop. Stop. It's enough. Stop. Stop. It's enough.
Guys,
Stop.
It's enough.
You fucking guys.
Yeah, it's enough.
guys, good, Bob.
Enough.
Bob, go. Stop, Bob.
Get
Stop.
down.
Let me stand up.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
I can't. I only have one leg. Bob. You're good.
Nice
You're
and
good,
easy.
Bob. Good, Bob.
Stop.
Bob.
Bob, relax, buddy. No, we're okay. We're okay. Bob. Okay. I can't.
Yeah, all right.
I can't.
And I need a supervisor here.
I can't.
Blue one.
What's up?
Dinner. Blue 82 in custody, 1658. Anyone in room 309? Anyone in room 309 Stilson?
All right, buddy, just roll over. I'm gonna sit you up, okay? Just stay seated for now. That's not me.
His dad he's protecting his dad. He's got a crippled dad.
I hear you.
And he come up and me up like street fight.
Just lean back, all right?
No, this guy. Dude, you're in my face. Who got out and started being... You guys didn't try and find out what the problem was. You automatically started... You automatically...
exactly how to behave.
Listen, don't tell me how to be a parent.
We fought both. Then we started wrestling with both of them. I don't know why it turned into
Your guy
that.
pushed him.
Normal people.
Well,
him.
he did push him
guys-
first, and he's a cop.
Your guys.
He's not.
Right here. Just hand fly it? Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna go crash.
I do.
There's some kind of like car thing that they were complaining about, and then they came in super.
That guy's.
heated.
No, I don't know.
That guy's.
Huh?
That guy's.
Yeah, he sucks. One leg? Like trying to find an ID here, sir. Wrong thing. Put all those back. Roger.
All right, bud. Do you wanna? I'm gonna walk you into the car just so you can sit down, not on the ground. You wanna stand up with me? We'll go in the car.
Stand them up, please. Thank you.
We're gonna go hang out in the car, and we'll figure it out after. Okay?
Love you, Ted.
We should open up.
This one?
I'm 26. Doesn't really matter though. I just want to have him sitting in the car. Just hang out here. I'm just gonna pat you down quick. Do you have any like stuff on you?
No. This is my wallet, keys, my phone's in this
Your
pocket.
cash is gonna stay with everything.
Okay.
Just so you know. All right.
I got my
Thanks,
phone in
boss.
this pocket. My phone. I think that's it.
Thanks, dog. Are you okay physically? Do you want to see like the ambulance crew or anything like that?
We're good.
Okay. I'm just gonna double up. Make sure your handcuffs are double locked.
You're fixing some
Yeah, no problem. So do me a favor and just lean forward. All right, spin your hand. Cool. Okay. All right, just take a seat in here. You sure you're physically okay? All right. Look, I get helping your dad, but I don't know what that. I don't know. What,
I'll take whatever comes to me for it.
I hear you.
There's no need for him to be pushing him. I was watching the whole thing, and he put his hands on him first.
You did, yeah.
100%.
I saw your dad go first, but it's
No
all
way.
on camera, so
It's all on camera.
it'll be figured out.
Yep.
Thanks for being cool now. If you need anything, I'm gonna open the window. Just give me a yell, okay?
Alright, perfect.
They're trying to find an ID here, sir.
It's the wrong thing. Put all those back.
Roger.
Fold it open. Right behind that.
So he's all
You
chilling
just
out.
saw that happen.
I mean, he's watching his. I get it. I see both sides. So
Yeah.
obviously we just can't have it. So we're just.
I
trying to
mean,
figure things out.
for me to pull up and that guy to get and tell me shut that vehicle up. Number one, you can't because there's no rhyme, reason, or crime committed for me to have to turn my vehicle off. I came here voluntarily to the situation to rectify and let everybody know what's going on here.
Yeah.
And for that douchebag to start, I'm here. I'm out of the car. What do I need to shut it off for?
But just so you know, so you put your mind. Your son's chilling in the car right now. I got him off the ground. I adjusted his handcuffs. So he's doing good.
Yep.
He's chilling.
He's a tough kid. He's
Yep.
good.
Yep. And it's obvious he cares a lot about you. So, just the only thing I'll ask is, you seem calm now. He seems calm now. Just whatever you can do to not try to escalate or make things worse. 'Cause
Listen,
obviously
if everybody
people are
talked like
upset
you
to begin
did,
with.
there wouldn't be a problem.
I hear you.
If everybody talked like you did,
I
there
hear
wouldn't
you.
be a problem.
I hear you. But let's just,
But to drive up to a situation and have someone yell in your face, some douchebag cop thinking he's all that.
okay.
When I showed up here, nobody asked me to come. I
No.
could have went home.
Yeah, I hear you.
I could have went home. I came here to do the right thing and see what the hell's going on.
I hear you. Are you physically able to walk without the cane? Like if we help you and stuff like that?
If you helped me.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Huh? Everything's okay over there?
I hope so. All right, so back to the story, guys. What
Yeah, so
they try to sell you a car that had windshield, or I'm sorry, it was antifreeze was leaking. You said?
Yeah. So okay. So
Dad, one second.
So-
One second. What was it like 2 months ago?
Yeah.
Him and his dad. He's my cousin.
Yeah.
Him and his dad came, and they came and looked at the car. They came, looked at it, and they gave him a $500 deposit. Say, hey, here's a $500 deposit. Take it off Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna come whenever I'm available to come and pick up the car. The guy said, no problem. We have a deposit. It's safe on our lot. No worries. All right, no problem. Now, come to today. Me and my cousin came to pick up the car. His dad is out of the country right now.
Okay.
So me and him came to pick up the car, and we're loading up the car in the trailer.
Yeah.
And while we're loading up the car's obviously running because we're driving it up. He said, yo, it's a good car. It drives. It does everything. Only little hiccups here and there, like paint correction and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's an older car. We're not going to nitpick, Of course.
Yeah.
That's why we were good on the price that we were good on. It's a 30-year-old car, like he said. We put the car up on the trailer, and it starts spewing out antifreeze.
Yeah.
And he goes, all right, we're all good. All right, we got to run. And they run off.
Okay.
They hop in the car and drive off. So we call him back. We go, hey, Jesse, listen. Jesse's his son, I believe.
Yeah.
I guess he's the one doing the deal. That's the one whose phone number I have. I've been in contact with Jesse.
Is that Jesse here? Over there?
Yeah, that's Jesse.
Right.
So with the long hair, yeah. So we tell him, hey, listen, I think we got to negotiate on this price a little bit. We agreed on a car that's not overheating, that's a properly running car.
Yeah.
He goes, oh, it's a 30-year-old car. It's gonna have problems. I go, I know it's gonna have problems, but I gave you $5,500 on a car that's not overheating. You didn't disclose this information with me. Are you trying to scam me?
Yeah.
He goes, no, we're not trying to do anything. You had the car sitting here for however many months and blah, 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 blah. And he's just giving us a sob story. And I go, listen, I'm trying to be very civil with you guys. I don't know why you're getting so loud with me. I just want you to come back and we just have a nice conversation and figure something out. I can give you the car back if that's what you guys want. I don't really care.
Yeah.
And he goes, get out of my parking lot, big dog. Get out of my parking lot, big dog.
Yeah.
I tell him, hey, I'm being very civil and very calm right now. Please do not get agitated with me. And he hangs up the phone.
All right.
That's when I came and walked over to the officer right here.
Okay. All right, guys. All right. Well, it sounds like it's a civil matter deal that kind of went sideways.
Of course.
All right, so
Hello, Dad.
just hang out for
Yeah,
one
no
second.
problem. Thank you.
I think the whole situation just got a little out of hand.
Whose car is
Yeah,
this?
why is that cop have to put his hands on me? He came up and do not put your hands on me for no situation.
I know, but we're all.
I'm just saying,
we don't
do we
like
just
to
put him
be
in the
spoken
car?
to a certain way. We don't like to be.
Well,
yelled
I
at.
showed up and this guy starts screaming at me right off the bat when I just showed up.
Is this old or is that scratches from the pavement?
No, it's. I don't know. I'm fine.
I'll get you a nice bag.
No, I don't need. I'm not a pussy, dude. Next, you're gonna tell me you're gonna give me a Band-Aid?
Beth, anybody get these dudes?
I got their license right here.
You're over.
Hey, why don't we throw him in the car for now? So we're not sitting out here. They want him out here?
That's on the ground. I know.
All right. Christian, would you mind just bringing the car up a little bit so we can walk him the shortest distance possible, put him in the car, just so he could sit down for the time being? Just to get you out, we get you out of the cold, and when they want to talk to you, we'll
I'm
come back.
fine.
I
I'm fine
understand.
right here.
Just would feel better if everyone's sitting down for the time being. Do you have anything else on you, by the way?
No, just
Just your phone?
yeah, I got it.
Yep, doing it now.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna need it. At some point. I mean, I can't.
We'll get it to you, man. No,
I'll put it in the car.
Yeah.
no worries there.
Is there anything else that you need that's out of here right now?
This car could just get parked right here and locked up.
We'll have it all handled. All right, I'm gonna help you. Okay? You lean.
Yeah, where
in-
are we going?
We're just going right behind you. This car right here. Is that good enough? You want me?
Yeah, my slipper is.
Okay. Going right in here. Just watch your head, okay?
I mean, look, they got spike things in there like I'm going to take off. It's absolutely ridiculous.
A lot of this stuff is for precaution, okay?
Yeah, my
You good? All right.
right
help?
leg doesn't work. Yeah, can you push it in there? Yeah.
No problem. All right, just hang out. We'll be back with you, okay? If you need any... no, I think it's Diaz's. If you need, we're going to roll one down. If you need anything, just give us a yell. But just for right now, just hang out, okay?
Sure.
The 40 issue. Unlawfulness of the initial order Terry v. Ohio. 392 U.S. 11968. An officer may only detain a person upon specific and articulable facts of criminal activity. At the moment the order to turn off the vehicle was issued, no crime had been reported, no detention had been established, and the subject had arrived voluntarily. The Terry standard was not satisfied. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S. 429-1991. A seizure occurs when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. A direct command is not a request. Issuing a command to a non-detained individual without legal basis constitutes an unlawful show of authority under the Fourth Amendment. Issue 2 Protected Speech. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. The First Amendment protects verbal criticism of law enforcement, including profanity and aggressive language, unless it constitutes fighting words under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire 315, U.S. 5681942. Verbal objection alone does not create grounds for arrest. Issue 3 Use of Force. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Force is evaluated on 3 factors: severity of the offense, immediacy of threat to officers or others, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. All 3 factors supported force once physical assault began. Issue 4 Criminal liability for assault on officers. Assault on a law enforcement officer requires an intentional act directed at an officer in the performance of duty resulting in harmful or offensive contact. The subject who grabbed the officer's arm and the subject who struck officers both satisfied all elements. Prior Fourth Amendment violations by officers do not eliminate this criminal liability. Critical principle: a Fourth Amendment violation does not license physical resistance. The established remedy is civil litigation under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Physical force against an officer remains a criminal offense regardless of whether the predicate command was lawful. Courts have consistently rejected self-help as a response to police misconduct. Issue 5 Civil vs. Criminal distinction. The vehicle transaction is governed by contract law and consumer protection statutes. Officers hold no authority to compel refunds or renegotiate private sales. Criminal jurisdiction attached exclusively upon commission of assault, a separate legal track entirely independent of the civil dispute. Issue 6 Qualified immunity. Any Section 1983 claim arising from the unlawful order must overcome qualified immunity. Under Harlow v. Fitzgerald, 457 U.S. 8001982. Immunity is defeated only when officers violated a clearly established constitutional right. Terry v. Ohio and Bostick together establish the right clearly. The immunity defense is weak on these facts. Lessons. 1. A lawful presence does not grant authority to issue compelled commands without detention basis. 2. A legally valid objection loses all force the moment physical contact with an officer is made. 3 civil remedies exist, precisely so that constitutional grievances are resolved in court, not on the street.